We are here at the one of the big aquarium fish farm in Pasir Ris, Singapore. Where are the fishes? So we can catch them with a net. Tiny fish there inside here, red color, so color tiny fish.
Fish stuck.
They are stuck on the wall.
Oh, they are stuck. Stuck all the way.
These are scarfish. Hey, we have ducks here in the fish farms. Careful. Quack, quack. Ducky. No, sucker fish.
See, they're sucking some kind of thing. Ew, that's
Splashing water.
Ew.
Wonder where the water came from.
I don't know. Are they from the splash water? Ew. That's it.
Oh, these are in the tanks.
Wow.
Whoa.
Hey, see this frog.
Oh, look at this
Fly
frog.
frog.
Broke. Broke. Zebra fish.
Oh, this is the one.
It's like whole
These are neon tetras. Neon tetras. Pond and decoration for the fish tanks. Yeah, it's very nice, huh?
It's floating.
Ducks. Floating ducks. These are floating ducks. Yeah, these are lightweight floating ducks. Look at these fish tanks. It doesn't need bubbles or air for the fish. Plotted plants for the water, for the aquarium. It's really beautiful, like a forest. The rows and rows of fishes. See a lot of fishes here in this store. Put a net in it. These are red lobsters. Oh no! It's leaking water. I like this one.
I like this one.
I like this, this one is nice also.
Same lah.
Oh, this is beautiful. This one is so nice.
This one also nice. This one also nice.
This is like a marble design. Wow. Red color shrimp.
But put shrimp can
These are also very nice. These are also
shrimp
very,
can put fish or
look at all this. I don't know what it is.
This is nicer.
Yeah, this is also very nice. Very beautiful. Straps one. I don't know what are these.
佢都試試佢啊！
Red prawns.
直好直接係咩？會直接啊？
Wow, okay, there's a sponge inside the water. SpongeBob SquarePants. Fish.
You see? They follow your hand
fish.
only.
Wow.
But they will come out.
The head seems like very swollen.
See? They follow on you. No, they open your hand.
Stingray.
Stingray, yeah.
This one is the
Stingray. These are nice, beautiful.
I don't need more.
Like a mini forest. Red fish.
Hey, why are these fish so fat?
These are fat goldfish. Yeah,
Mommy, you see the body so fat,
fat
right?
goldfish.
没有尼莫嘞，这里。
No, no, no.
Don't have 讲句耶。